see, I'm in here locked in. It's not that I isolate myself, it's me reinventing myself. Come back to my parents and touch back with the reality that I grew up in. If I tell them like I'm doing all these things, it's like it sort of scares them, right? Trading is very complicated if you overstimulate yourself and don't apply it. Nobody understands your vision. Nobody understands your vision but yourself. Been working behind the scenes on the course. Alright, welcome back. It's gonna fall. Fuck me, bro. Technical difficulties. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. I am at loss for words because we reached 500 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. Like I've been saying through the whole week, like each and one of you guys who joins the community, each of one of you guys who becomes a part of this family makes me proud of myself, right? Because like I said, what I'm trying to do is change people's lives, right? I'm recording my journey, my process, because it's fucking hard, bro. Trust me, I know when I was watching other people, it's like, damn, I want to be like him, but it's fucking hard, and I wouldn't do it. I'm trying to be that for you guys. I'm managing a job, I'm a father, I'm managing everything that's around me, my failures and all these things, right? And I am showing up regardless. I just want you guys to know that it's all worth it. Trust me, it's all worth it. The fucking feeling that I get from all the comments from other people telling me that they're going through the same thing, that I inspire them, and all these things, bro, it's life-changing. It's surreal. Right now, I'm a little bit rushed because I did stay in bed for a minute. I've been dealing with a lot of allergies, and like I said, the pain in my fucking head, like that headache that I had, I think it was more stress-induced and sleep deprivation. But yeah, I had to like stay in bed for a minute. I didn't have to, but like I just took 2 extra hours of sleep. I normally wake up by 5 a.m. on my days off. I woke up at 7. Been working behind the scenes on the course. I'm adding a little bit more context to the course. I want to add some more back testing sessions. I got some stuff added. I will let you guys know once that's ready. Skipping my breakfast, but I go get a coffee. I'm gonna hit them all again. I'm gonna get some more groceries. I have the one-on-one call scheduled with my boys at around 2 in the afternoon, so I got that going on. After that, work a little bit more on the content, work on the course, and I am going to go visit my parents today. I haven't seen them in a minute. Dave came over here, but like I haven't been back home with them. It's like a 30-40 minute drive. I'm about to finish getting ready. I'll bring you guys along today. It's a different type of day because I don't work my regular job. My days off from work are the days that I work on my business, on my brand, right? There's no days off. If you really want to make this shit work, there's no days off. I've built this community, I've grown this community in 5 months. It took me 5 months to get from nothing to 500 subscribers. It's crazy. YouTube is crazy. It's crazy, man. And the next goal is going to be 1,000. And I'll see you guys once I'm at the store or getting my coffee. I don't know if I'm going to get Starbucks or Dutch Bros. I don't know. They gave me very shaky, and I haven't had breakfast, so we'll see. This portion of the video too long, but I was going off a little bit on my Instagram talking about where I get my energy. Yes, I've achieved something great, but I keep setting the bar higher and higher day in and day out, right? I am striving for 1,000 subscribers, striving for 250,000 views. That's the next goal, right? And like I said, I have this on my whiteboard. Y'all might not see it, but it's my daily reminders. It pretty much just, it's the source of energy for me. Like before I leave my house, like you guys can see the whiteboard is next to the door, right? I have to go over every single thing. And what's really stood out to me was nobody is doing it because it's hard. And I have I have a slash, and then I have energy. That's where I get my energy from. But trust me, it's hard. It's fucking hard to show up every day and do the things you don't want to do when there's things that you would rather do, right? The easy stuff, the gratification, the easy gratification, which would be going out, playing basketball, smoking, doing the easy stuff. But see, I'm in here locked in. It's not that I isolate myself. It's me reinventing myself, right? It's me in the universe, me in the world, me and my vision, me and and God just manifesting this shit, making this into a reality. This is what it takes. Yes, some people might say like, "Oh, you're isolated. You don't hang out with us. You don't talk to us, bro." Because I'm on a different level now. I'm 23. I'm trying to retire by 25. I'm trying to retire my parents. I'm trying to be a millionaire by 25. I'm going to be that, right? But it takes this. Like, trust me, there's so many things I much rather do. I love playing basketball. My friends are always hooping every week, twice a week. It hurts me, right? And one of my boys was like, "Oh, he has time to read the messages, but he can't answer." And it just reminded me, like, yes, you're not in the same mindset as them. Like, they're still stuck, well, chasing their hoop dreams, even though, like, they want me to go because they want to prove something to themselves, because I be busting their ass, bro, trust. And since I lost weight, like, I went once before I started recording, right? And I busted their ass, and I had just lost 15 pounds, right? And ever since then, I haven't been back. And they're like, I'm nice, bro. When it comes to basketball, later on, once I have everything set up, I might have a hooping video, probably. Let me know down below. But yeah, they have that in them that they're like, they need to prove something to themselves, right? And that's the reason why we always lost when we're playing basketball and all these things, bro. Like, ego with them is up here. Like, they can't come down to a level of understanding that it's like, it's a brotherhood, right? And that's the reason why I have a love-hate relationship with basketball. Yes, I am very competitive, and it's not competitiveness, bro. Because even after the game, it's like, they get butthurt, you know, like in real life. So if it was very competitive, which I have some friends that I love to play with because it's very competitive, and afterwards it's all love, yeah. But like, backtracking from all this shit, that's where I get my energy from. I know people are not doing the hard things, right? It's easy to do all these things, bro. Trust. Temptation is at my reach, but God has something bigger for me. It's not isolation. It's me working on my craft. Trust me, it's delusional, yes, but it's something that's gonna set me up for later in life. I'll see you boys once I'm back. I'm already late. And I'm not saying I'm nothing special, bro. Pretty much everything that I'm saying is common sense. Exactly. It's fucking common sense. You just gotta apply it. Most of us know what we gotta do. But why don't we do it? Because it's hard, right? It's common sense, bro. It's that fucking easy. But people are so stuck in their head, in their ego, and it's like, oh, well, I have a better way of doing it. Bro, if it's proven to fucking work, maybe you should fucking do it and listen to that shit, right? I love every single one of you guys. I don't want to come out here as a fucking arrogant piece of shit, because that's not what I am, right? I'm just trying to show people around my community that it's not about just drinking every fucking weekend, doing the same things your parents were doing, bro. There's more to life than what we grew up in. I've seen a different side of it, and I know that most of you guys have seen that side with social media. But like I said, it's common sense, right? But some people just get so fucking locked in their own mindset that they just don't want to grow. Let go of that shit, bro, and become a man and grow. Trust me. Finally had everything. Finished the call with my boys. Great session. I pretty much picked their brain, and I overloaded them with information. But one thing I want to tell you guys, trading is very complicated, to the point where, like, it's complicated if you acquire all this information and you don't apply it, right? You get this paralysis analysis because you're like, oh shit, like, it's a lot of information, but I'm not taking action towards it. I'm not looking at the chart. Like I was saying before this shit ran out of storage, I'm keeping my boys accountable, right? I already told them, like, I'm giving you the keys to the car. You just gotta turn it on, bro. Don't just look at the pedal. Don't look at everything, right? Like, they're over here over examining this shit, like trying to like break it down in a higher, you know, like they were trying to break it down to me, like with all these words. And it's like, bro, it's simple. We're reaching for this and that, right? But what I want to say is, like, Trading is very complicated if you overstimulate yourself and don't apply it. You learn all this information, you watch all these videos, you get this dopamine of like, damn, I know how to trade, damn, I know how to do this. But when you come to the charts, or when you rush it into like a demo account or evaluation, you get fucked over because you've never really back tested, you never really practiced. I feel like that's why some people don't get trading or get confused, is because they watch all these videos, they take all this information, but they don't apply it. Trust me, I didn't get good in trading until I started applying the information that I was watching. I would feel good about myself, like, oh, I learned this new thing and blah, blah. I would wait till the market was open. I would trade on evaluations, or I would trade on demos. And I was like, damn, what the fuck? It doesn't make sense. It's confusing. Yes, because you're not taking the time out of your day to sit down on the desk and apply that shit. I'm about to edit this video. I'm about to order some food. I'm hungry. I'm not going to make food even though I bought groceries. It's a little bit late, and I'm about to go with my parents in a couple hours. I'm going to just order something and go pick up something and work on the content, edit it, and work and just fine tune the course and add a little bit more things. That's why I like to do these calls with my friends, because if I can pick their brains, it's like, okay, regular folks, other people might be going through the same thing they're going, right? But yeah, I'll catch you guys once I'm eating, or once I'm back from my parents, or when I'm over there. I don't know. Tonight's video might be a little bit delayed just because I'm at my parents' crib, but all I want to say, bro, is enjoy every opportunity. Trust me, life is short. You just gotta enjoy the moment, right? But keep on pushing. Don't get complacent. Like, I'm trying to do a lot, and trust me, there's people that are not gonna believe in you. Like, if you don't start, bro, nothing's gonna change. Trust me, like, I come back to my parents and touch back with the reality that I grew up in. Their mindset, even though I tell them like I'm doing all these things, is like it sort of scares them, right? Nobody understands your vision. Nobody understands your vision but yourself. God puts the vision that he has for you in you for a reason, and only you can see through it, right? I'm about to edit on my video. I'm just chilling with my family right now, but yeah, I'm about to edit the video, and I'm gonna have some sessions tomorrow again with the boys. The only thing is, like, I'm doing a couple of them in Spanish, and that's why I ain't getting no clips. But soon I'll schedule something, and then once I have a set schedule from work that I'm off certain days, like, that's where I'll have some sessions running in the Discord, probably live in the Discord. But yeah, stay tuned for that. This is gonna be the end of the video. It's currently Sunday morning. I got home around 2 a.m. and my parents' Wi-Fi was very slow, and I couldn't even upload or export anything to edit, or just not even download the whole video right. But going back into what I was touching on yesterday, seeing the fear of me telling my parents what I'm doing is like, I just got a comment and it just keeps boosting me mentally, right? I feel a little bit down because I didn't upload for you guys yesterday. I don't want to miss a day, but I mean, the circumstances around me were just not letting me do it, even though I was trying. And I haven't spent that much time with my family, and I was just, chilling with them, prioritizing that, family first, But what I want to tell you guys is, your reality isn't fixed, right? What do I mean by this? It's like, the limitations you set yourself is not, and maybe some of you guys know this, but like, it's not your reality. Like, maybe you're struggling as a day trader. Maybe you think you don't understand, or you think you can't make it in. It's because of your thought process, because of what you feed your self-conscious, right? If you keep telling yourself it's too hard, I can't understand it, it's not for me, I'm not that smart, you're going to manifest that into a reality. You gotta understand that you gotta start believing that you are this great trader, that you are already this great person since now, in order for you to succeed, right? Because I have that on my whiteboard, like I told you guys, that I have all my affirmations, all of these things, my daily reminders before I leave the crib. I already told you all of this, right? And some people really can't assimilate the fact that, even though it's common sense, we know this, you don't fucking apply that shit, right? It's something that I've been thinking about in the past couple of days, and it's like, it's so easy to get lost in your own mind, to put yourself down, but it's also so easy to start believing in yourself. Once you start showing up day in, day out, day in and day out, consistently stacking up that accountability, like I've been saying, showing up, staying accountable, being consistent. Once you start doing those things, it becomes so easy to believe what you tell yourself, to believe those affirmations. I believe I'm going to become a millionaire. I believe I'm going to become successful. I believe I'm going to become all of those things because I'm showing up and I'm working towards it. I'm bending this reality. Why? Because I am not letting the future just happen. I am changing myself. I am projecting myself becoming this thing in the next couple months. If not, I would have been just a regular old worker. I would just be going to work, letting shit happen, just waiting on the future. Perfect example right now that I'm at the edge of, like, my job is like up in the air. I could just let shit happen, let the future come to me, right? Not prepare, not do nothing, and live with those consequences, right? And believe that this is the life that is meant for me. That I'm just letting life carry me through what it wants to throw at me, right? I'm not thinking for myself. I'm just letting the world dictate what my future holds. But I am molding and bending my future reality because I'm doing something to make those manifestations into my fucking reality in the future. You know, like, I don't know if I don't know if I'm articulating myself properly. I'm kind of still asleep. But yeah, I just want you guys to put that into perspective. Today's going to be a double upload day. This is Saturday's video, uploading it today, probably afternoon. I got a couple stuff to do right now. But you guys will see on tonight's vlog. I love every single one of you guys. Let's keep on going.